let's learn how to apologize in English. Apologize the right way. Introduction. Do you know how to apologize politely in English? Today, I'll teach you 3 powerful phrases to say sorry in a clear and respectful way. Let's learn. Phrase 1. I'm really sorry about that. Use this for everyday situations. For example, when you're late or when you're interrupting someone or making a small mistake. It sounds sincere and polite. Phrase 2. I apologize for the inconvenience. This phrase is more formal. Use it when something you did caused trouble or delay, like a cancelled meeting, a misunderstanding, or a technical issue. Phrase 3. It was my mistake and I'll fix it right away. This is the strongest and the most responsible way to apologize. You admit the mistake and show that you're taking action to correct it. Conclusion. These phrases will help you sound polite, confident, and professional when saying sorry in English. So, which phrase will you use next time you need to apologize? Comment below. Happy learning! I'll see you in the next.